गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालयै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर्या जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तर्वोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतु तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तं नयमाम चरणान्विते। Dandot Pranam. In the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru Nitya Leela Pravishtom Vishnu Pal Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. I am happy to come to Italia. But now think that no so many new are here, only so many devotees from England, Holland and others. Anyhow, we want to to give something inspiration to the devotees of Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj and newly also, that should be strong in bhakti. Oh, I am going. You should.
Innanzitutto offro
as I have told yesterday that we are so much fortunate to come in the line of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Ho già detto ieri come siamo.
So we should try to know that who was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and what instructions or what donation he gave to us.
Così dovremmo provare a comprendere chi è Chaitanya Mahaprabhu e che istruzioni ci ha dato, che regalo ci ha fatto con queste istruzioni.
We know that our Goswamis like Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Srila Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Jiva Goswami, Kavi Krishnadas, Kavi Karnapur, and so many Goswamis have written so many things about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Così anche tutti i nostri Goswami.
Srila Krishnadas Goswami took the essence of what Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda, and all Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and others has written. Rup Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, everything he took from them and he wrote in Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. He has especially, you can come forward. He has especially explained all these things in a very easy way, in the term of dialogues. like Mahaprabhu and Rupa Goswami at Prayag, to Sanatana Goswami in Benaras, Kashi. Oh, Sambandha Vidheya Prayojan, everything he told to Sanatana Goswami. That is called Sanatana Siksha. And what he told to Rupa Goswami, it is called Rupa Siksha. Not to about Bhakti Rasa to Rupa Goswami.
Ha parlato a proposito del Bhakti Rasa con Rupa Goswami.
And Raganuga Bhakti also to him.
E anche della Raganuga Bhakti con lui.
And he told to Sanatana Goswami in Kashi, Vaidhi Bhakti, and in that Sambandha Gyan, Avidheya Gyan, Prayojan Gyan.
E ha detto a Sanatana Goswami in Kashi a proposito della Raganuga Bhakti, della Vaidhi Bhakti.
Only Vaidhi Bhakti.
Only?
Vaidhi Bhakti.
Only solo sulla Vaidhi Bhakti.
Vaidhi Bhakti. Who is Krishna? Who is Jeev, soul? What is called Bhakti? What is called Maya? How a Jeev can achieve Bhakti? What is the Sarup of nature of Krishna? Everything completely he told to Sanatana Goswami.
E gli ha spiegato a proposito della posizione della Jiva,
Jiva
Maya, Jiva Tattva,
Maya, Krishna
Maya,
Tattva, Krishna Tattva,
Krishna Tattva,
Bhakti Tattva,
Bhakti Tattva,
Prem Tattva,
Prema Tattva,
all other things.
e di molte altre cose.
He also told to asked Rai Ramanand in South India. He met at the bank of Godavari. And he asked so many questions to Rai Ramananda.
Anche a Sud India,
And there, from beginning to top of Bhakti, he explained everything.
e ha spiegato tutto della Bhakti. Dall'inizio, cioè dalla base fino alla cima.
He told there especially about Krishna Tattva, Radha Tattva, Prem Tattva and Ras Tattva.
Lui ha parlato in particolar modo del Krishna Tattva,
Radha Tattva,
Radha Tattva,
Prem
Prema
Tattva
Tattva
and Rasa
e
Tattva.
del Rasa Tattva.
He told he asked so many things that anywhere in Vedas, Upanishad, Srimad Bhagavati, it is not explained so vividly.
Ha spiegato delle cose che in tutti i Veda e nemmeno nell'Upanishad, nemmeno persino nello Srimad Bhagavata non sono.
It was first time that he asked Rai Ramananda so high classes of questions about Rasa Tattva, Rasa Raj Mahabhav. Oh, you can see it easily? Easily you can see? Yeah. What I told?
Nel Bhagavatam molte descritte molte cose su Raja Rajmavan
It has never been explained before.
che non sono mai state descritte prima.
You can come also forward if needed. You can help. Oh, here. You can come here, here. By the side of Gyan Das Prabhu. Oh, yeah. Oh, you should come. You should be there. Yeah, very good. This is very excellent thing in the history of bhakti.
Questa è una cosa molto eccellente nella storia della Bhakti.
Especially this was the most benediction or donation given to Ji.
Questa è stata la benedizione più grande, il più grande dono alla Jiva.
Also, there was dialogue between Swarup Damodar and Shivas Pandit at the time of chariot festival.
C'è stata una conversazione tra Swarupa Damodara e Sri.
So, Krishnadas Goswami has presented a valuable thing for Jivas.
Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami ha presentato una cosa
So, if we are in the line of Mahaprabhu, Rup Goswami, then we are so lucky to know all these things.
e poiché siamo nella linea di Mahaprabhu e di Rupa Goswami siamo molto fortunati ad avere tutte queste cose.
Prior to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so many incarnations of Krishna came. Gone.
Oltre a Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
Also so many Guru Tattva Acharya like Madhva, Ramanuj, Vishnu Swami, Nimbarka. So many Acharya, Vallabhacharya, they came.
anche
They presented to conditioned souls, oh, very, very valuable donation.
ed essi hanno presentato
They gave donation of bhakti, but they never explained about bhakti rasa.
loro hanno dato il dono della Bhakti ma non hanno mai spiegato nulla su Bhakti Rasa.
So we are so fortunate to come in the line of Mahaprabhu and Rupa Goswami.
Per questo siamo molto fortunati che siamo nella linea di Mahaprabhu e di Rupa Goswami.
But we have come in the line of Rupa Goswami and Mahaprabhu. But if we are always entangled in the theory of Ramanuj, Madhva, Vishnu Swami, only Vaidhi Bhakti, then we have no gain. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave what I told yesterday in my class and very brief. He gave that valuable Unnat Ujjvala Rasa Prem that was never given in one day of Brahma.
Perché come ha spiegato anche ieri nella lezione che ha dato,
So, if you have come in the line of Mahaprabhu, we should know what is Rag, what is Raganuga. What Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave us, what a speciality of Rupa Goswami and Rupanuga Acharya. We give Jai every day, 2 times, 3 times. Rupanu Guru Varga ki Jai. But what is the meaning of Rupanuga? Who is Rupanuga? We should know all these things. Those who have no past impression, they cannot know it easily. Go on.
Quelli che però non hanno delle crisi, delle
Of
impressioni
past
precedenti,
life.
delle vite passate, non possono comprendere.
But Mahaprabhu is so merciful that if new, having no impression, and he comes to the devotees of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, by the association, everything will come.
Ma anche se, poiché riceviamo la misericordia.
So, I want to explain all these things in a brief in 4 days here. What he told to Sanatana Goswami, what he told to Rupa Goswami, what he told, the dialogue was between Mahaprabhu and Raya Ramananda, and the dialogue between Srivas Pandit and Sarup Damodar at the time of festival,
Lui vuole
card
spiegare,
festival.
vuole spiegare in breve cosa è successo, prova a spiegare tutte queste cose.
You can come here. If you cannot hear, you should come forward. First of all, we should explain the dialogue between Mahaprabhu and Sanatana Goswami.
Prima di tutto dobbiamo spiegare la relazione tra Mahaprabhu e Sanatana Goswami.
Especially, we can explain Rupa Goswami and Mahaprabhu dialogue.
E specialmente spiegare
She Mahaprabhu that to Rupa Goswami in Prayag he told that there are so many souls in this world, in 84 kinds of species. Species. Huh? 84 100,000 lakhs. কত হলো? হয়ে গেল? But human species are only 4 lakhs. And in 4 lakhs, very rare doing bhajan. And in doing bhajan, very rare are who are devotees of Krishna.
specialmente è stato spiegato che
Very rare are devotees of Radha and Krishna conjugal.
e tra questi molto rari sono quelle persone che riescono ad avere una relazione con Radha Krishna e Yugala.
In them, lakhs and lakhs devotees, very rare, who are really some advance in these things, and they really practice annabhilasita sunya.
E tra tutti questi devoti molto raro è colui che riesce a realizzare e a praticare Annabhilasita Sunya.
Very rare, and in lakhs in them, very rare those who have attained bhav, that is a rati, very rare. Rati or mood.
E tra questi molto raro è colui che ha realizzato il suo rati, il sentimento.
Very carefully you should hear. Very, very carefully. Otherwise you cannot understand.
Dovete stare molto attenti perché altrimenti
In lakhs and lakhs devotees who have attained this very rare mood, that is Rati, can achieve prem. Very rare.
e tra coloro che hanno ottenuto rati è molto raro colui che ha
Lakhs and lakhs them. One can have the service of Srimati Radhika or Gopis.
e tra questi ultimi è molto raro
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come to give, to sprinkle these things.
specialmente Chaitanya Mahaprabhu è venuto per illuminare su queste cose.
First of all, we should know that Jiver Swarup hai Nitya Krishna Das.
Prima di tutto dobbiamo realizzare che noi siamo
Jiver Swarup hai
vera
Nitya Krishna Das. We are eternal service of Krishna.
siamo eterni servitori di Krishna.
And Krishna is what? Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Che Krishna è la suprema persona.
Of Brajendranandan or Jashodanandan or Gopinath or Radhanath, he is Supreme Personality of Godhead. Not Krishna coming from Vasudeva Devaki in Mathura or Dwarka.
Specialmente che
So, we should try to know all these things.